Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to ask ChatGPT for generating hashtag. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press on Try ChatGPT. Here I'm gonna show you how effectively ask ChatGPT to help with generating hashtags. I'm giving you some rules, tips and tricks. You just have to follow these rules. So let's go. Number 1. Be clear about the purpose. Example prompt: I need hashtags for an Instagram post about sustainable living. So let's see the answer. Here it is. Here you have to specify the purpose of the hashtags. Are they for a social media post or campaign? It helps the AI generate relevant suggestions. Number 2. Share the theme or topic. Example prompt: generate hashtags for a post about eco-friendly home tips, focusing on reducing plastic waste and promoting sustainability. Let's see the answer. Here is ChatGPT's output. You have to provide details about the topic of your content. Include key themes or keywords that reflect the post. Number 3. Indicate the platform. Example prompt: create hashtags for a Twitter post about mental health awareness. Search your answer. Your answer is ready. Different social media platforms have different hashtag trends. Mention the platform for accurate result. Number 4. Specify audience or niche. Example prompt: suggest hashtags for a LinkedIn post targeting young professionals in tech interested in remote work. Here is your answer. You have to mention your target audience or niche if applicable. This ensures the hashtag align with your goals. So these details ensures ChatGPT generate accurate and impactful hashtags tailored to your needs. So this is how to use ChatGPT for generating hashtag. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.